Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to search query performance in single keyword campaigns. Let's get into it. Search Query Performance, SQP, is a powerful report that provides insight into the organic keywords Amazon considers your ASINs to be relevant for. It also includes some ad data, but is primarily focused on organic performance. For each ASIN, Amazon provides a list of up to 100 search queries it deems relevant. In some cases, this list may be shorter depending on the ASIN's performance. These keywords are not randomly selected. They reflect Amazon's internal relevancy mapping. This makes the data highly valuable for identifying real, actionable keyword opportunities. One of the most effective ways to leverage this data is by analyzing the ratio between purchase share and impression share. This metric helps determine keyword strength. The calculation is simple. Divide the purchase share by the impression share for each keyword. If the resulting number is greater than 1, it indicates that the ASIN is converting at a higher rate than it is being shown. This suggests an under-leveraged opportunity. When a keyword demonstrates a high-strength ratio, it is an ideal candidate for a single keyword campaign. These campaigns allow advertisers to allocate dedicated budgets and bids to a keyword that has already proven its conversion potential. To implement this strategy, create sponsored product campaigns that focus solely on one keyword. In addition, consider launching a corresponding sponsored brand campaign to capture additional placements and reinforce brand visibility. Running both ad types in parallel maximizes exposure and improves the chances of a conversion by placing the ASIN in multiple locations on the search results page. In terms of match types, begin with a broad match modifier to ensure the root keyword is present while allowing some flexibility. This is particularly useful for discovering high-converting long-tail variations. Simultaneously, run an exact match campaign for precise targeting and better control over bid adjustments. By running both broad and exact match types simultaneously, advertisers can gather more comprehensive performance data and tailor future bids based on specific behavioral patterns. It's also important to consistently track the strength of keywords over time. By analyzing monthly or weekly SQP reports and comparing performance across multiple reporting periods, advertisers can identify keywords that show consistent strength. Keywords that appear repeatedly over time are strong indicators of long-term relevance and can become key assets in advertising strategy. Finally, integrating this SQP analysis with Looker Studio dashboards or similar visualization tools can help scale and manage this process across multiple ASINs. Monitoring performance trends and strength scores in a centralized dashboard streamlines optimization efforts and highlights opportunities faster. In summary, the Search Query Performance Report offers more than just keyword suggestions. It reveals where Amazon sees product relevance and provides a data-backed path for campaign structure. By using the strength ratio to filter top keywords and isolating them into single keyword campaigns, advertisers can build more focused, efficient, and higher converting advertising strategies. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.